Hey guys, just want to let y'all know, man. Look at the lawns, man, nowadays. I'm gonna flip y'all around, man. Look at this. Now, you see the pattern I'm going at? I mean, Florida's real dry. Like, the Midwest area is getting a lot of rain. We're getting a lot of wind. You see the trees and everything like that. You're getting a lot of wind forces. I think last week we're gonna be getting the Midwest got trampled with nothing but rain. Right now in Florida, this part of Florida. Let's make sure y'all in place. This part of Florida, man, look at that. And you got the plants, they're growing, but the grass is slowly like dormant. Some of it is even dying. So, excuse my language, just even dying. So with that being said, and you see all the turmoil that we got to deal with as far as weather and grass height and stuff like that, we got to be very careful around this time of year where it's just nothing but pounding heat, wind forces and stuff like that. I mean, I've had more than a couple of yards like this. Some of my yards are not, most of my yards, I'm not going to even tell you no lie, they're not even fertilized. That's something that that's a goal of mine, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to see if I can try to get that license for it to be a fertilizer, because basically that'll be a game changer for most of my lawns, because they look around this time of year, they look like they need it. They need some weed and feed, and they need some stuff like that. I'm gonna start to get into that right there. I think it's a little bit over. Last time I checked, it was like 50 something down on it over in this part of St. Petersburg, Florida, where everything in the price. You gotta think about it. Fees going up, prices going up in gas, and plus what's newly happening with gas nowadays. You know that what it is, that pipeline that they're talking about. But I'm gonna go ahead and reiterate on what Sean Spencer was talking about. And basically, I feel the effects now of what he read when he said that some of the people that are receiving the pandemic money are not even working. So the government is paying for all these people to not work. And even in some states, they're saying and complaining that the gas prices, not even that. It's where can you find the gas at West? And he goes to places like New York. Oh man, they're gonna be feeling that stuff. It's not the gas price no more. It's, do y'all guys got gas just like we having gas problems? So with that being said, I'll go ahead and conclude y'all on the video. I mean, man, this is a lot of that's going on. It's practically, if some lawn companies don't kind of adjust with their prices and get that understanding with their customer, I don't know, man. I think some of us guys will be out of business, because it trickles on the way down. Like you get the rich, the middle class, the poor, but then you get that middleman, which that's where we are, and it trickles all the way down. We all the way down at the bottom. So basically, you're not gonna feel it right now. But gas prices, man, you see everybody's home. Usually everybody's not home. Look at it. Look at it. Sometimes these people are not home. Sometimes these people are not home. Most definitely that person. You see what I'm talking about? I just want to get that awakening for the rest of y'all that do not have lawn care businesses and stuff like that. And you got to gas up one of these. At the truck. I I mean, I've heard of people paying prices as far as $98 just to fill up their truck. And that's just being real. So, I just don't want to ramble on. I'm going ahead and mow this yard right here. Y'all look at it. And man, it's something, man. It's just, nowadays, it doesn't feel it in real, true feel life, but some people are gonna be panicking right about, when it steeps I figure my predictions, my intuition tells me it's almost about in the middle of the summertime, and I say about the middle of the summertime, and all the way straight through December, October, March of next year, people are gonna feel it. They ain't feeling it now. They lift up drywall for a living. That's gonna change, man. You know how much material costs have gone up since 2019. Man, this is something else. And I had to go ahead and tell some of my customers that wanted to, up in Sugarville, that they wanted to go and do Spring Hill. They wanted to go and do it up for their backyard. And I said, I can do the concrete wall that Lowe's has, but you got to understand that the material price is going up. As long as they get that understanding, then we're good. But some people,